El Fifarta, Saluton El Jutamundo Miracle, Bonan Metanon Miracle, and Yalando Miracle, La Landendo, La Aceh, Chefius Manacho, La Vegesas, Lam Nango, Nun Esat Allah, to Nyak Dhien Domongo, Nun Hafasla, Amiki Cochide. Yan mo estas Jack, Pope, Simon, and Tom, and Selines from Belgia, Lando Miracle. Nun mi hafas demando, pun mia caragasto chitia, mo estas Tom. Por la demando poste in Aceh mereka la tribuna nun bon follow mereka bon follow mereka bon follow mereka ni hafaz demando. Alright, good morning Tom. Alright, I have question for you. So during you all guys in Aceh, what do you think about Aceh after tsunami?
It was very quickly rebuilt.
Oh, rebuild. Oh yeah,
in 4 years.
4 years.
That's very quick.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
Beautiful.
The houses
See.
like this is very beautiful.
Oh yeah.
The streets are very clean.
Clean. Oh right.
Not very busy.
Oh.
Yeah, it's actually very beautiful.
Alright.
Really.
Thank you, Tom. One
No
more
problem.
question. So, what do you think about Aceh people? Is that welcoming or not?
Yeah, very friendly.
Pretty
like
friendly,
you.
right?
You're
Alright,
very
thank
friendly.
you. Yeah.
The perfect guide.
Thank you.
No problem.
Alright, guys, thank you all. Chufi comprenas que chufi conas nyagreco, nyagasto ela Belgio lando ko la triple bonega chicken ko la triple famel tamu ko. Mia nuestra stafironi metas mi gusta tranquilo, mi gusta portas la muta la fuletitie, la Europa, Usono, Africo, Usono, Azio, la portas in mia urbo Aceh ko. Dan kon por fili mia filmi dislar video di. Tiga merah.